This video will demonstrate how to install an Enerlites air circulator switch. For this installation, you will need a Phillips and flathead screwdriver, wire strippers, a voltage tester, and wire caps. First, turn off the power to the existing switch you are replacing. Take off the wall plate and gently pull out the switch. Use a voltage tester to make sure the proper circuit breaker is turned off. To remove the existing switch, unscrew and loosen the wires from their terminals. Remove the wires and separate them from each other. You may need to trim and strip the wires to a workable length for your new device. Locate the black hot wire. To do so, turn the power back on and use a voltage tester to test the wires, being careful not to directly touch the live wires. Label your hot wire for future reference. Turn off the power once more before continuing. Use a wire cap to connect the black wire from the switch to the hot wire. Next, locate the black fan load wire. Connect the brown wire from the switch to the fan load wire. After this, locate the white neutral wire. Connect the white wire from the switch to the neutral wire. Finally, locate the green or bare ground wire. Connect the green wire from the switch to the ground wire. Push the wires into the electrical box and secure the switch to the electrical box. Once the switch is secured, customizing the timer settings is easy. The wall plate must be removed to access the control panel. To remove the face cover, push down on the cover or push button to release, then pull away from the main body. Use the flathead screwdriver on the timer and mins per hour knobs to adjust to your desired setting. Once finished, align the face cover with the latch pins on the main unit. Push the cover push button against the main body, then slide up until it locks into place. Finally, install the decorator wall plate and turn the power back on. Enerlites air circulators are UL and CUL listed. Learn additional ways Enerlites can add value to your project at Enerlites.com.